A busy first day for the Trump administration's steep new tariffs on auto imports. Moving forward, cars, SUVs, minivans, and more shipped to the U.S. are subject to 25% tariffs before they hit the dealership. And now our northern neighbor is reciprocating. Canada's Prime Minister announcing just this afternoon the country will impose its own 25% tariff on cars brought in from the United States. Experts predict this trade war could send the cost of cars up by thousands of dollars. While that is the headline, tonight we're going beyond it to hear from a variety of voices impacted by this change one way or another. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley spent the day gathering a wide range of perspectives. You'll hear from auto union members who say they support these tariffs, plus a car sales representative and a customer who feels we can't keep going in this direction.
They can't keep going in the direction it's going. It's got to turn around.
Sam Alessi of Fredonia, a regular customer here at Town Mazda in Orchard Park, reacting to the tariffs. But Alessi tells me he's lucky because he bought his car last year. However, he's very concerned for other consumers.
I feel terrible for young families. I don't know how they can do it.
Many Mazdas are made in Japan and some in Mexico.
What makes you want a car that's imported from somewhere else?
I just like the features. I looked at quite a few different cars, and I ended up coming to Mazda. I like mostly the safety features on the car.
As of today, our prices are protected. So anybody who comes in now, the prices of the vehicles will be protected.
But dealerships are still trying to figure out how this will all shake out and what it will mean for you when you buy a new car.
Is it really tough to target that number right now?
It is, because there's a lot of variables that go into that.
Sales consultant Joe Gangarosa tells me the dealership is getting texts and phone calls from potential buyers who are worried about future costs of vehicles.
Are people trying to buy ahead of this setting in?
They are. Yeah, I actually just got a phone call a few minutes ago from a long-term customer, very upset and very concerned about the future of his the next vehicle he's going to purchase.
Gangarosa says he believes the tariffs could be harmful to the business, while a local United Auto Worker leader says they support the tariffs.
We've had broken trade laws for decades. NAFTA, USMCA, we've seen thousands and thousands of jobs leave this country. We have to start somewhere and try to bring this manufacturing back to this country.
Assistant Director of UAW Region 9, Raymond Jensen, tells me his union is in favor of the mission of the tariffs to bring more manufacturing back to the U.S.
Between the big three, there's thousands of our members laid off due to these factories, due to these corporations shipping jobs to Mexico. There's factories that are underutilized. There's factories that could add shifts. There's factories that could put new product in there and bring these jobs back to this country where they were originally.
The union leader tells me he believes there is too much fear-mongering about the price of vehicles and believes automakers could absorb the cost. Eileen Buckley, 7 News.